Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term epic similes. Introduction. The use of epic similes, also known as Homeric similes, in literary epics has been a prominent feature that traces its origins back to the works of ancient Greek poet Homer. These formal and sustained similes play a crucial role in enhancing the narrative style and ceremonial quality of the epics in which they are employed. In this video, we will explore the significance of epic similes in literary epics, focusing on their function, impact on the reader, and examples from notable works such as Paradise Lost by John Milton. Function of epic similes. Epic similes serve as a powerful rhetorical device in literary epics. They are used to elaborate on the primary subject, which is called tenor, by drawing extensive comparisons with the secondary subject, which is called vehicle. The vehicle is described in great detail, going beyond mere points of parallel with the primary subject. This technique allows the poet to enrich the narrative and evoke vivid imagery in the minds of the readers. Epic similes are particularly effective in creating an aura of grandeur and amplifying the scope of epic's themes. Impact on the reader. The use of epic similes has a profound impact on the reader's experience of the epic. By immersing the readers in the elaborate comparisons, the poet invites them to explore various dimensions of the narrative. The detailed description of the vehicle adds depth to the primary subject, enriching the reader's understanding and emotional connection to the epic. Moreover, the grand and ceremonial nature of the epic similes contributes to the epic's overall tone of majesty and importance. Examples from Paradise Lost. John Milton's Paradise Lost, a literary epic of immense significance, is replete with epic similes that exemplify the poet's mastery of this technique. One notable example can be found in Book 1, lines 768 to 774, where Milton describes the fallen angels moving toward their new-built place of pandemonium by comparing them to a swarm of bees in springtime. As bees in springtime, when the sun with Taurus rides, pour forth their populous youth about the hive in clusters, they among fresh dews and flowers fly to and fro, or on the smoothed plank, the suburb of their straw-built citadel, new rubbed with balm, expatiate and comfort their state affairs. So thick the airy crowd swarmed and was trained. This epic simile magnifies the grandeur of the fallen angels' movement and conveys the vastness of their numbers and activity. It not only offers a vivid image of their actions, but also adds an ethereal and mystical quality to the scene. Such vivid imagery helps to transport the reader into the world of the epic, making the experience more immersive and captivating. Conclusion. Epic similes, with their formal and elaborate comparisons, are a hallmark of literary epics, enriching the narrative and evoking powerful imagery. They serve to elevate the epic's style, enhance its ceremonial quality, and expand its scope. In Paradise Lost, John Milton's masterful use of epic similes contributes to the epic's status as one of the greatest works of English literature. By employing these similes, poets like Milton, Virgil, and Homer have left an indelible mark on the tradition of literary epics, continuing to inspire and captivate readers across generations. So this was the discussion on the term epic similes. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video with some other topic. Until then, bye bye and thank you.